In this video, you'll learn how to change your Wecasa password. This process will guide you through resetting your password securely and efficiently, ensuring you can access your account with ease. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once the homepage loads, locate the login area, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to log into your account. After successfully logging in, look for the option labeled My Profile. This can usually be found in the navigation menu or as part of your account settings. Click on My Profile to access your account details. Once you are in your profile section, find the option that says Change My Password. This should be clearly visible within your profile settings. Click on this option to proceed with the password change. If you have forgotten your password or it has expired, you will see a prompt that says Lost or Expired Password. Enter the email address associated with your Wecasa account in the provided field and click on the Submit button. Next, check your email inbox for a password reset link sent from Wecasa. It may take a few moments for the email to arrive, so be patient. If you do not see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, click on the reset link included in the message. This action will redirect you to a page where you can create a new password in the specified fields. After entering your new password, make sure to save the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully. Now return to the Wecasa login page, enter your email and the new password you just created to log into your account. Ensure that the new password meets any specified requirements for security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.